Hello guys, so welcome once again to the sewing workshop. This is the trouser that I just finished up, and I will be showing you guys. As you can see, I just finished the pants and I finished the pocket side and everything. So I'll be showing you guys um how to hem the the leg part with the invisible hemming machine that I just got. If you have not seen the video, I'll put a link in the description below. The unboxing of the invisible hemming machine. So to do this, first and foremost, I'll just fold the foot of the trouser. So all I'll just do is just to take the measurement, and the measurement of this pant is at 39.5. So I'm going to place in my 39.5 right there. You can see that. So after placing my 39.5, I'm going to fold it upward. Basically, this is how I used to make my pants whenever I want to do the finishing. That's the pattern in which I used to finish my pants. So I will fold it up like that, and I'm going to iron it. Make sure it's lay flat, and I have an accurate measurement at that point, as you can see. So I will just iron it straight up like that. Make sure it gives that that edge, that sharp edge. After I iron it like that, as you can see, I have that mark at that point. See that? So the next thing I will do now is I will fold it inside, following that that gaiters, and that is exactly 39 which I folded before. I use this process basically so that I won't have a length problem after my trousers. So I'll fold it inside also. After folding it inside like that, I'll fold it too, and I'm going to iron it. Well, as you can see, basically there might be some rumbles like inside of the trouser, so most time I will try as much as possible to use my hand to make it accurate, and sometimes I'll just put the scissors inside. You can see that, in order to make sure the side is balanced and it is well laid inside of the pant. You see that? I'll iron it, and I will do the other side also, and I will iron it. Can you see that? Basically, just like this, you will know that the trouser is going to be a very sharp edge. Are you getting me? It's going to be very sharp. After you do this, I'll make sure I iron it very well. You can see that it's looking very flat and laid. That's how a pant is supposed to be. I keep calling it pants or trouser. I don't know. Like, US call it pant, and there's this other England call it trousers actually. So Nigeria we call it pants trouser. It's crazy. But let me just call it trouser. So I'll just fold the edges of this one also. I'll do the same thing on it. And you see that? Just make sure it's balanced and it's well laid. See that? Can you see that? So if I lay it down straight, you're going to see it will be accurate. It will be accurate and well laid. So as you can see now, all I will do is I will take it to the hemming machine, so you guys will see the process and how the hemming machine work. So let's go to that one right now. So as you can see, all I'll just do is you can see the inside and the weave part. So all I'll just do is just to open the mouth of that hemming machine, just like that. Place it inside exactly before the hemming part, before the weaved part. I'm sorry for that. So I just cut my thread and I will just put it back inside. fortunately this hemming machine actually use only one thread. You don't need the bobbin, whatever, just one single thread. That's the happiest part of my life when using this thing. So just put it inside like that and started running it. Just run it just like that. You see, just keep running. Make sure your hand is straight and you are actually aiming at that pattern which you want, exactly at the tip of that weaved part. You can see that. You can see that. So now just lift it up a little bit and just cut it out. The moment you cut it out, it's closed up and do the finishing, so the thread won't be removing. You can see the outside, it's invisible. I'm going to iron that part and make sure it's laid. So let me do the second one and I'll show you very closely how the stitches look like. Just put it inside. And start stitching. Stitch it. It's very simple actually to use this machine. It's one of the most simple things on the surface of the planet. Just stitch it straight, and when you get to the edge, the last stitch, just lift the machine up a little bit and cut it out. Then it's stick out part. So here, let me take it closer so you can see how the stitch look like. Let me focus the camera. You can see what the stitch look like. It's very, very straight, and when you look at it from outside, it doesn't show at all.